buy Nasdaq, bro. I don't care what's happening. Always buy Nasdaq. That's just the rules, bro. You do not sell off Nasdaq, bro. You buy and hold, bro. Simple as that. All right. So let's look in the chart. All right. So the month of June already, Nasdaq is in the bullish. Last month on May, the market was bullish. On April, the market was continuing with a bearish from, from February. The market took a dip, all right, like kept going down and down and down, all right, and then on May kept on going. Then April tried to go to the downside. It tried, but what it did was just collecting enough momentum so that it can shoot up, bro. Because that's what you do with Nasdaq 100. Nasdaq, it's a bullish market, always, bro. Like that's a rule, bro. You never break that rule. Nasdaq is a bullish market. When you trade Nasdaq and then you are holding, if like you want like real benefits of trading Nasdaq, just buy and hold. You buy and then you lose your phone, whatever, just buy, bro. Alright, so let's analyze the market and see what's gonna be happening for the rest of this week. All right, today is Tuesday. Time is it's approaching 4. All right, so let's analyze and see what's happening in the market. All right, so we're on the monthly time frame right now. Okay, so let's go to the weekly. We don't need a monthly time frame. Okay, all right, so this is what we have right now. All right, so we're gonna be focusing on this structure, this V-like structure. This is gonna be our focus for this coming few weeks, months, maybe. All right, so this is the structure we're gonna be looking into. All right, remember how I trade. All right, I trade structures. I don't trade trends. I don't trade whatever. I trade structures. All right, and structures are based on trends, are based on levels and all that stuff. But main focus is trading structures. All right, so yeah. Let's see what we have. Let's zoom in a little. Zoom our chart. All right. So the focus is the V. Let me shade it. All right, the V structure. Let's shade it. All right. Have a rectangle. And let's take it from here. Then we're just gonna shade it. Alright, then we go to the daily time frame. This is where we're gonna see the whole thing of what's happening in the market. Right? So you see, it was a beautiful, you could say, an inverse head and shoulder or double bottom, whatever you want to call it, but it was a beautiful structure. Like a beautiful structure it was a bullish structure. All right, because you could see we went down, it gave us a shoulder right here, and then did this thing, and then went down, bro, and then it gave us a head, and then up, and then down again, gave us a right shoulder. All right, so and since here it's been going bullish like crazy. All right, so meaning this structure is kind of complete. All right, so let's see if we have anything else. All right, because so far I'm seeing the structure is complete. All right, so yeah, okay, let's go back to the monthly time frame because the structure is complete. And remember, with my strategy, we do not begin structures, all we do is complete structures. All right, so let's see if we can find a trend or any form of alignment. All right, so let's see. Okay, we can try to align from here. All right, let's see. Let's put a trend line. I don't mind the background noises, man. I'm outside, so yeah, people are weird out here. All right, so we're just gonna put it here. Okay. I'm gonna put another one right here. Alright, so this is the structure that we have. Alright, so for now, if you're holding a buy position, I'll advise just keep it like that. Alright, but if you don't have any open trade, you wanna go inside, I advise you only day trade it. Don't swing trade. Alright, just go in and out. Alright, so let's go to the weekly time frame. Alright, So yeah, the market is respecting this trend. Let's put something here.
I try to be a good guy, but it's getting really turned into a monster. I just left and right.
So this is the structure that we have, alright? But we have nothing at the top, so we can put something over here. Alright, but we are blanking now, like we are blank shooting right now, alright, because there's nothing above there. Alright, so if it reaches that level, that'll be like the highest high, alright. So but let's put it because we can see it, we're visionaries, remember. Alright, so gonna put another level there, alright, for because so far it's that interception here, alright. So we suspect that the market might go reach that level, alright, before it could give us any direction where it's gonna be going next. Alright, so let's go to the daily time frame, back to the daily time frame. Alright, so yeah, still, man, it doesn't show any signs of gonna be going back to the bearish market. Alright, so can put on a level here. So we put another level right here. Right, so 4 hour. Remember, the structure is complete, man. So now we're just trying to get a little bread. Alright, we're not looking for anything big, man. Alright, so but I don't think I'm gonna be trading Nasdaq for this week. Like nothing. Yeah, I'm not gonna be trading. I don't see anything of great use. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave it, man. Like I'm not seeing much from this structure, so I'm just gonna wait for it to go reach up there. Alright, and then from up there it's gonna do its thing, and then it's gonna give us direction. Then after it has went up, it's then I'm gonna have an absolute decision what the market's gonna be doing next. Alright, so for now I have no idea how far the market's gonna go up and when it's gonna return. Alright, but there's something here, but it's not that of great value, man. Like the market might just break it, man. Might just break it. So maybe this is what might happen. So maybe this is what might happen.
I try to be a good guy,
so from here, what the market might do, and fail to break, play a little, and eventually go to the downside, but I don't see it. Alright, so hence I'm gonna be looking out in the market. I'm gonna be checking out, see what's gonna be doing, but for now I don't think there's anything in the market that of great use. Alright, so if you see something, I advise you go in and out, unless if you are holding a bullish position. Alright, if you are holding a buy, just keep it like that, because I'm sure the market's gonna keep on going up. Right? If it goes down, it's gonna be temporary, bro. But at the end of the day, it's gonna shoot up. Right? So I'm gonna leave the video right here. Peace.